Hello, and welcome back to the Daily Dose, the podcast that keeps you updated on everything tech. I'm Angelo, broadcasting from the Velocity Technologies office here in sunny Tempe, Arizona.
And I'm Nia, joining you from our Tucson office. Today, we're going to dissect a crucial topic that has been making waves in the cybersecurity community: the recent hacking incident involving a legal aid database that led to the theft of a substantial amount of data in criminal records. This incident has raised serious concerns about data security and protection. Angelo, let's start by addressing what exactly happened and its implications.
Absolutely, Nia. To give everyone a bit of background, this breach involved a prominent legal aid database that was targeted by cybercriminals. The attackers managed to infiltrate the system and extract a significant volume of sensitive information, including criminal records. This is a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities that exist in our digital infrastructures.
That's right, Angelo. The breach not only compromised the personal information of countless individuals, but also exposed sensitive legal documents that could potentially disrupt ongoing legal proceedings. It's a worrying scenario for all stakeholders involved, including those who rely on these services, the organizations that manage the databases, and the legal system as a whole.
To really understand the magnitude of this breach, we need to look at the volume of data that was stolen. Reports indicate that a significant number, likely in the tens of thousands, of personal records may have been compromised. This includes names, addresses, and potentially sensitive legal information that could be used maliciously.
Exactly, Angelo. The implications of such a breach are far-reaching. We're not just talking about identity theft or financial fraud risks here, but the potential misuse of legal records that could affect the lives of many individuals. Imagine being a part of an ongoing legal case and suddenly having your confidential information out in the open for malicious actors to exploit. It creates a whole new set of challenges for legal professionals and clients alike.
Let's discuss why these legal databases are particularly vulnerable. Many legal aid organizations may not have the robust cybersecurity measures that large corporations typically employ. They often rely on limited budgets and resources, which makes them attractive targets for cybercriminals looking for low-hanging fruit.
That's correct, Angelo. Legal databases often contain a wealth of sensitive information that is highly valuable. Cybercriminals are aware of this, and they specifically target these systems to harvest data for various nefarious purposes. The lack of comprehensive security protocols, regular system audits, and employee training often leaves these systems exposed to cyber threats.
The consequences of these breaches are severe for both legal aid recipients and the organizations themselves. On an individual level, victims of data theft may face financial fraud, identity theft, and even potential legal repercussions if their records are tampered with.
For the organizations, the breach can result in loss of trust, which is critical in legal services. Clients need to be assured that their confidential information is safe. Legal aid organizations could face legal challenges themselves, including fines and penalties for failing to protect client information adequately. Not to mention, the financial burden of responding to a data breach can be crippling, especially for nonprofit organizations.
Given the serious implications of these breaches, let's discuss strategies that legal services can employ to better safeguard their databases. First and foremost, implementing comprehensive cybersecurity frameworks is essential. This includes regular vulnerability assessments and penetration testing to identify and rectify potential weaknesses.
Absolutely, Angelo. Additionally, encryption of sensitive data, both at rest and in transit, can significantly reduce the risk of data being intercepted by cybercriminals. Training employees on cybersecurity best practices is also critical, as human error often plays a significant role in breaches. Ensuring that staff understand the importance of safeguarding client information and recognizing phishing attempts is a crucial step.
Technology itself can be a powerful ally in preventing data breaches. Utilizing advanced security solutions such as multi-factor authentication, intrusion detection systems, and regular security patching can help fortify databases against unauthorized access.
That's a good point, Angelo. Automation and AI-driven security tools can monitor for suspicious activities and respond in real time, which can make a huge difference in preventing breaches or limiting their impact. Legal service providers should also consider cloud-based solutions with built-in security features that may offer more robust protection than on-premise systems.
Beyond technology, there are legal and regulatory frameworks in place that mandate data protection standards. Compliance with regulations like GDPR, CCPA, and others is not just a legal obligation, but also a step towards fostering trust with clients.
Agreed, Angelo. These frameworks provide a guideline for organizations to follow, ensuring that they implement the necessary measures to protect personal data. Regular audits and compliance checks can help organizations stay on top of their data security obligations and avoid potential legal penalties.
We can learn a lot from organizations that have successfully implemented security measures in the legal field. For instance, some legal firms have adopted zero trust architectures, which operate on the principle of not trusting anything inside or outside the organization's network without verification.
That's a great example, Angelo. Another case is the use of blockchain technology to enhance the integrity and security of legal records. Blockchain's decentralized nature provides a secure way to store and verify records, minimizing the risk of tampering or unauthorized access.
Looking towards the future, the legal industry must continue to adapt to the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity threats. Continuous innovation and adaptation of the latest security technologies and practices will be crucial in staying ahead of cybercriminals.
Absolutely, Angelo. Cybersecurity is not a one-time solution, but a continuous process that requires ongoing vigilance and adaptation. Legal services must remain proactive in their approach to data security to protect sensitive information and maintain trust with their clients.
In conclusion, the recent legal aid database breach serves as a stark reminder of the importance of cybersecurity in the legal sector. By adopting comprehensive security measures, staying compliant with legal frameworks, and leveraging technology, legal services can better protect themselves and their clients from future breaches.
Well said, Angelo. It's a collective effort that requires commitment from everyone involved, from IT professionals to legal practitioners, to ensure that sensitive information remains secure in an increasingly digital world.
And as we wrap up today's discussion, remember that protecting your data is not just a responsibility, but a necessity in the digital age. Stay informed, stay secure, and keep your data protected.
Before we sign off, we'd like to thank our sponsor, Velocity Technologies, for making today's podcast possible. At Velocity Technologies, we understand the critical importance of cybersecurity, particularly for organizations handling sensitive data. Our comprehensive IT solutions are designed to enhance your security posture and keep your digital assets safe. Whether you're looking to improve your existing systems or need a full-scale cybersecurity overhaul, Velocity Technologies is here to help. Visit our website at Velocity Tech GM to learn more about our services and how we can assist you in safeguarding your data. Remember, when it comes to technology and security, Velocity Technologies is your trusted partner.
Thanks for tuning into the Daily Dose. Stay safe and secure out there, and we'll catch you next time.
Goodbye, everyone, and take care.